Okay, Christine, what's the number?
Christine, okay, Christine.
206.
Christine, come here with me. 206. Come here with me. Come do it with me. 206. Stand right there.
Guys, do you have speakerphone?
No, I'm not one. Where's he doing?
Hi, is Chris there? Guys, shut up.
I can't do it.
Guys, go over.
Hi, is Chris there? Hi, it's Sharonda Crocs. I can't do it.
Hello.
It's Sharonda Cox.
No.
And Sharonda Cox.
Guys, shut up. You're so dumb.
I know.
Yeah, we can't go.
Well, you were like in the background and my peripheral vision like died.
Yeah, because
Everyone was like,
Emily and Christine and Evan have to go home.
Does this work?
Yeah. Evan, you're so dumb. Go away.
Oh, fine.
Don't hang.
No.
Well, I can ask. Well, yeah, my mom said no, because she doesn't really, like, know you, and everyone has to kind of go home, and I have homework and stuff.
Ow!
I'm an IB. I have, like, tons of homework.